Don't touch my crown.
Okay, well, let me turn this music off first. Hold on. Today's going to be a different type of video. I'm actually holding the camera. You see, this is a table right here. So this is my vanity table. This right here, I'm going to show you guys how I got this marble top thing. But I'm going to take this off because, as you can see, it's like grimy and dirty and makeup filled and just gross. Like, gross. I have my adhesive. That's what I use for this, but I'm going to show you guys that, and don't mind that. That's going to be cleaned up. This whole area is going to be cleaned up because it just needs a revamp. Like, this needs to be clean, and I don't know any other way to clean it than to take it apart. So I took everything off except for this little thing right here. And yeah, so let's get this started, okay? So let's see. We are using what is this? Okay, so it's the Deco adhesive laminate. Does it have anything else on there? No, so it's just called the Deco adhesive laminate paper, I guess. Can you guys see? I hope you can. This is what I used the first time, so same paper that I'm using. I just got an extra roll the first time, and I got this from Walmart, and it was only $5.99. So I got two. I do believe I got 2 rolls. So I got 2 rolls, and yeah, I had an extra one, and I do have like this right here. Like, I still have extra from this first roll that I used. I have extra paper, but I didn't want to use. I just wanted to use a whole new roll. I'm going to show you guys what my desk looked like originally. But my desk, I got this from Walmart, and it was $67. Really nice desk, like really nice. It has like USB ports on the side and everything. Like, it's a really cool desk. And it did not cost me a freaking grip, because I was really, like, when I first moved here, I was really looking for, I was really looking for a desk that wasn't like $1 million. That was really cute. And it's just a simple white desk. Like, and it has a drawer right here as well. So let me stop talking and let me rip this paper off and get this thing started, okay? All right. So this is how it's looking, guys. Don't mind those little burn marks because they're from my flat on or whatever. Just FYI, if you don't go get this paper, just do not put flat irons on it because it will burn. So yeah, don't say that. Don't do that. And it does say that on the directions, so don't do that. But this is what it's looking like. This paper on the back is just giving me a hard freaking, and it won't focus either. It's giving me a hard time. Like, I cannot get that back paper off. So I think I'm just gonna go over that with the adhesive paper and just call it a day, because I'm not about to sit here for another hour and be peeling this off. It's just not gonna happen. Guys, I'm going to start putting on the new paper. So what you're gonna need is your adhesive paper and some scissors. That's pretty much it. The simplest thing ever. And of course, measurement. So, not measurement tape, just, you know, measure it with your eyes, pretty much. I'm gonna flatten this bad boy out until I get to the end of this table here. And what I did the first time is I went the extra mile, and I pretty much did the back of this too. But this time I'm not gonna do that. Just because this won't come off. So I really don't have to do the back of that. But I am going to do this part, this area again. So I'm just going to cut this here on up. Yeah, I'll mark where I'm going to cut this at. Cut it a little further than what the edge is. The edge is right here, and it needs to go over like this. So I'm going to just cut it right here. Give it a little extra room. I'm gonna cut that going up. If you want to take something to flatten it out, then I would highly recommend that. Okay, any bubbles you have at this point, just smooth them out. Smooth them out. We're gonna do the back portion now. So I told you guys I couldn't get that back part up for some reason. That's so annoying to me. It's just really not coming up, and I'm not spending that much time on it. I just rather not. So y'all see what I'm talking about. This is where the cords are. And before, I just cut along the circle part. Esco, stop it. And it was whatever. I just put that down like that. Okay, so this time I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna cut out a little square. Yeah, I'm eyeballing this. Make sure. And it's not that big, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So this looks about right. As long as this is covered up, it's whatever. And it looks good from back here, so it's whatever. Yeah, I'm only going to show me doing this side and the drawer. I'm not going to show that side because it's the same thing. Like, it's nothing different. So easy, right? Right. Simple. Simple, simple, simple. Is this little piece over here? Okay, we just gonna cut this little piece off. Alright. This part we just gonna cut a little thin strip. Okay guys, so I'm finished with my vanity and this is how it turned out. Same way it looked last time, but clean, clean, clean. So these, okay, please don't come for me with this bench. I'm getting a new chair. I just haven't found the perfect one yet. But this bench, it came from house.com if you want it. It was really, really cute when it was sitting at the bottom of my bed, but I moved it in here because I didn't have a chair yet. So it's been here. Alright, so these two are not from IKEA. They're just Alex drawer dupes. I got them from Michael's. They were, I'll put it in the description box. I forgot how much they cost. They are on the website. From time to time you got to catch them on sale because they were on sale when I got them. And they were really affordable. They weren't like $100 and something because I know I was going to pay that for the Alex drawers and decided to go another route. My mirror is from Impressions Vanity. Don't mind the missing bulbs because the missing bulbs are in the bathroom because the bathroom had yellow lighting. So they have 6 bulbs now. And to be honest, I'm so glad I took them out because they are extra, extra, extra hot. And yeah, they need all that light. If y'all want to know where I got everything else from, let me know and I'll let you guys know where I got it from. But yeah, this video is all about this desk. That will be in the description box as well. Why do I have my hand in front of the camera? But that will be in the description box as well. Just let me know if you need to know anything else about my vanity. If you want like a personal little tour of it, then I'll give you guys that. But until next time, I'll see you guys later.